To promote long and thick hair growth, it's important to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Here are some foods that are beneficial for hair health. 1. Protein-rich foods. Hair is made up of protein, so consuming an adequate amount of protein is crucial. 1. Include foods like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet. 2. Fruits and vegetables. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support hair growth. 2. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables, such as spinach, kale, carrots, berries, citrus fruits, and avocados. 3. Healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for hair health and can be found in foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. 3. Additionally, incorporate monounsaturated fats from sources like olive oil and avocados. 4. Whole grains. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread, as they provide B vitamins, zinc, and iron, which are important for hair growth and scalp health. 5. Vitamin C rich foods. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, which is vital for hair strength. 5. Include foods like citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli. 6. Iron-rich foods. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss, so include iron-rich foods such as lean meats, fish, spinach, legumes, tofu, and fortified cereals. 7. Biotin sources. Biotin is a B vitamin that supports hair growth and can be found in foods like eggs, nuts, especially almonds, seeds, sweet potatoes, and dairy products. In addition to a nutritious diet, consider the following tips for healthy hair growth. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water daily to keep your hair hydrated. 2. Avoid heat and chemical damage. Limit the use of heat styling tools and minimize exposure to harsh chemicals like dyes and relaxers. 3. Protect your hair. Use protective hairstyles and avoid pulling or tugging on your hair. 4. Practice good scalp care. Keep your scalp clean and avoid excessive use of styling products that can clog hair follicles. 5. Manage stress. High levels of stress can contribute to hair loss, so practice stress-reducing activities like exercise, meditation, and getting enough sleep. Remember, while a healthy diet and lifestyle can support hair growth, individual results may vary. If you have concerns about your hair health, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a dermatologist for personalized advice.